Hello, fellow foodies. Today, we are diving into a delightful recipe that will make your taste buds dance. Avocado and ice cream toast. This unique fusion of flavors is a must-try, and it's super easy to whip up. First, let's gather our ingredients. We need to ripe avocados for slices of your favorite bread sourdough or whole grain works well. For scoops of vanilla ice cream, honey or maple syrup optional, sea salt optional, and fresh mint leaves optional. Now, let's get started. We start by toasting the bread to create a crispy base for our creation. While that's happening, we can prepare the avocado mixture. Simply mash the avocado in a bowl. Once it's smoothly blended, spread this green goodness on one side of the toast. Next up is the sweet part, ice cream. Add 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream on top of the avocado toast. For an extra touch of sweetness, drizzle some honey or maple syrup over everything. And finally, garnish with sea salt and fresh mint leaves if you fancy. Voila! Your avocado and ice cream toast is ready to be devoured. This dish is not just delicious, but also super healthy with all those good fats and nutrients in avocados and whole grain bread. Thank you for joining me in this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe, do give it a try and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!